guys, welcome back to another video of Jailbreak. Gonna be a prisoner, we're gonna be fun, and we're gonna be jumping around like we're crazy. You guys wanna know a secret? Okay? Let's show them a secret. Shut up, look at this, bruh. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Oh, yeah. Don't try to dodge when you try to kill yourself. Doesn't work at all. So yeah, guys, just gonna keep on hopping on, hopping on, hopping on, hopping on, hopping on, hopping. Okay.
Good morning,
So
children.
guys, jump on here.
Since we're making a video.
Sorry about that, guys. Okay, try it again, guys. So you guys can just go. Oh yeah, that works too. Just like punch it. Hey. So yeah, we just broke out. Real easy to break out. Gonna rob it. And yeah, also, yeah, I got a pickup truck. I got a dirt bike too before I was recording. With you guys, yeah, I'm sorry about that. I was just kind of bored, getting bored, like, what to do, so, new truck. Oh yeah, always go to a criminal base after you rob, like, a massive donut shop to get weapons. I'm dumb, why did I just click C? Aww, I thought it parked. Oh, I jumped out randomly. How did it get over here? Oh my god, I have no idea how it got over here. So freaking far away. Great, so yeah guys, let's go hit the orange house where we hit the chicken. Too bad for that truck. He's gonna be lose. Better job in the heels. I dodged that. He's driving. So I think he's trying to arrest us, or there's another person he's trying to arrest. I don't know. What else? It says you find a cop walking along the sidewalk being dumb. Don't really try to pickpocket once. I did it once, and when they tried to arrest me, I at least killed them before they arrested me. So yeah, we could kill them and then get their key card. But what ifs? I mean, like, you can do it. I mean, if they're AFK, I guess that would work too, guys. Okay, just don't mess anymore. Guys, this guy literally has no mind. I'm a chicken! You guys can read that. I've been watching you all for some time. You Robloxians. I see how you play, imagine, create, destroy. I want that. I want that for myself. I need that power. I need to feel that power. Hunter, find it. Find it now. Okay, I'm a hunter, guys. I'm apparently a hunter. Yes, call me a hunter. Hunter, 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 hunter. Okay. Maybe I was alone. Because shit, I'm a dirt bike probably. Where's my dirt bike? Where's my dirt bike? Where's my dirt bike? Where's my dirt bike? Just gonna turn the volume. Perfect timing! Man! I just timed this. Perfect. Well, if you really get it, man. Oh my god, guys, no. You can't. No! No! Oh my god, guys. Dumb cop. Freaking stupid dumb cop. Oh my god. Did you guys just hear that? Okay then. What? I can't move! I can't move, guys. I can't move. Oh my god, what just happened? Can I just like click randomly and appear my screenshot? I don't care. Oh my god, what just happened, guys? What the frick just happened? Okay then. That was apparently very bad. Jeez! That scared the crap out of me. Oh my god. Also, bank. How much time should I tell people? Make the explosions a lot smaller. Backwards driver, guys. I'm telling you, I'm a good backwards driver. Except when that happens. Well, say something. I don't think you guys know about this. There's a lot of parts. Cookies are cookies. I don't think so. So yeah. Oh my god, it's annoying. Oh, lightning! I'm just seeing lightning right now, guys. Lightning and thunder. It was lightning. It's full of thunder. Thunder. Oh my god. Oh guys. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi. But we are two.